Hi everyone, it's August and festivals are approaching, so I've got a very simple eye look for you. This is glam but also exceptionally easy to make. And as you can see, I've used neutral shades and a little bit of champagne shade on my main lid. So we start with the tutorial, and here I have MAC Prep and Prime eye primer, and also I've done my brows with color bar eye pencil. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using today is by Morphe in association with Jaclyn Hill. This is called Divine Neutrals. You can see there is a row of shimmer and there's a row of mattes. So I have already created the look on my other eye, and I shall start the tutorial with this really beautiful brown, this mild brown, and we'll take it on a fluffy blending brush and start painting the corner of the eye. So again, I've pointed at the same color, not to worry, and I'm just putting it in the transition area, but mostly concentrating on the corner of my eye, and this will lend a very mild brown shade to that region and also create a sort of definition around the eye. And now I'll go in with a little more intense brown. This is a warm brown, and I pat it slightly away from the corner of my eye so as to give my eye a new corner. And what this does is that this also increases your lid space and the area on which you can apply your main eyeshadow color. And this I've taken on a small blending brush, and firstly, because I need to mark that area till where I want to elongate my eye, and then I have to work it into that previous shade very nicely, so the shadows are not patchy, they are well blended, and the eye of the shape of the eye is achieved. So make sure that you keep referring to the other eye so as to attain a symmetry in that, in the look that you are creating. And now I go in with a yet darker brown, which actually is the darkest brown, and I take it on that same small headed blending brush and tap it in the corner like that. And here I'm just using my finger to make sure that these colors blend well, and also whilst doing that I'm creating the V shape in the corner of my eye. Now you can just go in with the bigger fluffy brush which you had used initially to apply the first shade and work it in really well so that the colors are well blended. And this can actually take a while because this look is more about technique and brushes rather than the colors. And here I go in with yet again a bigger fluffy blending brush so as to really make sure that the colors are well blended. Take your time in blending the colors because blending is what's going to define the beauty of this look. Now that we have made that really beautiful corner, I'm going to first apply the matte pink shade, the very mild pink shade. And what I'm doing is that I'm starting right from the innermost part of my eye and also sort of going up high, up till my brow, actually brow line actually, and putting it really nicely till the portion of the corner of the eye. And make sure that you concentrate the shade as much as possible on the middle part of the eye. Now we'll go in with that shimmer pink shade right below the matte pink shade, which again is a very soft shimmery pink, and I just pack it on the same region where I had put that matte shade. And the matte below will provide a very good base to this light pink shimmer. And as you can see, I'm also applying this in the corner of my eye and just making sure that all of my main lid space is covered in this beautiful color. And now just sharpen the edges with tissue, and remember to put kajal in your waterline because this also accentuates. And this I won't do all the way, this line is very faint, it's not very dark. And then I'll just run a little bit of that brown shade, the soft brown shade, in the lower lash line, and I will not bring it all the way till the tear duct. I'll just keep it away till the middle part, from the middle part of my eye till the corner of my eye is where I'm going to apply this brown shade. Now we'll go in with that shimmery pink and just brighten the inner corner and also the initial part of the lash line, and do this with a precise brush. And now go in for your mascara and your false eyelashes, and that's all it takes to create this look. Team it up with a bright lip, maybe a lip gloss also, and you are all set for your party. So I hope you like this video. Like, comment and subscribe. Take care. See you next time.